Hey, didn't see you there. I'm Tasha. I'm gonna be your host of today's customized close-up, and today I'm gonna be showing you a deep dive look into some of the products that all members can choose for the winter box. So first up, we have the Vera Bradley Compact Organizer, and the very first thing right off the bat that I wanna say is this color is gorgeous. When you open it up here, it has that iconic Vera Bradley floral interior, and then it's got these mesh pockets with a little bit of elastic there, so it's gonna keep all of your things nice and tight, organized in there. And then another zippered pocket. Someone said on my last video, sister really loves zippers, and you know what? I'm not gonna argue with that. I love a zipper. It keeps everything nice and together. I'm just into zippers. So on the inside, we've got lots of room for anything that you might need. You can pretty much use this baby for anything, and it's just gonna look nice and chic and keep everything together. I mean, put your stocking stuffers in here and then put it in the stocking. I mean, best Christmas gift ever. I would love that. This is the BOMSHBEE Sloane champagne flutes. You guys, they come in a set of 4, which, you know, if you're social distancing, you might not have 4 people, but you could still fill all 4 and have it to yourself. All right, so I'm gonna set down 3 of these for my friends. So these have a beautiful slanted lip right here, which makes drinking oh so effortless. Oh, hold up. Here we go, we're gonna pop this baby. Cheers. So I know you were all wondering, what does this effortless sipping look like? Don't worry, I got you. Just so easy. Well, also, I mean, we cannot forget about the classic mimosa. Sometimes I even just pull the tiniest little piece of orange pulp, pop it right in there, call that a mimosa, baby. Comment below and tell me, what is your orange juice to champagne mimosa ratio? Mine is about 99% champagne to 1% orange juice. So you let me know. All right, next up we have the Summer in Rose Cozy Robe, and ooh, she is cozy, you guys. Just wait till you get your hands on this robe. Oh, not only is it a robe, it has a hood. And I would venture to say that with a robe, hoods are the new pockets. That's gonna be me at home on Zoom calls in my robe. I'm gonna be like,
oh my God, I love your classy robe.
And I'm gonna be like,
guess what? It has a hood.
It's got pockets, comes with a belt, and it comes in 3 sizes. You can get the extra small, small, medium, or the large, extra large, or the plus size. So really something for everybody there. And it is so insanely soft and comfortable. I will never get another robe. Moving right along, we have the LOLI Beauty Tea Seed Elixir. The crazy thing about this product is that it is so versatile. It's actually for your skin and your hair. So it is skin balancing, hair moisturizing. So to use this, you're just gonna put 3 to 5 drops right in the palm of your hand, and then you can just massage it right into your face. You can use it morning or night, but if you use it in the morning, make sure that you are following it up with a nice SPF. We always wanna be protecting that skin. And then you can also work it into the ends of your hair. I know especially in the winter, my hair gets so dry. Just work it right into the ends. It smells nice and fresh. If you're pregnant or if you're nursing or if you just have sensitive skin, then you'll definitely want to consult with a physician before using this. The serum contains sweet orange and pink grapefruit, so it's got a nice citrusy scent. In the colder months, we really want to maintain a nice dewy complexion, and this is going to help you with that. Next up, we have the Kate Spade New York Rise and Shine Stud Earrings set of 2. I love a good stud. You know what? I've been looking for a stud everywhere I go. Cannot find a stud. Where is he? Oops, I mean she. Right here. Got 2 of them. That's the way it always goes, isn't it? So right here we have cubic zirconia, and then we have this glass pearl look. Really, really pretty. I love these. And these are for my girls with actual pierced ears. There is a really cute little stone on each of the prongs, and that's also on the cubic zirconia ones as well, which gives it a little bit extra shine, shimmer, and pop. Kate Spade New York always gets it every single time. It's one of your most loved brands, and you guys just love it every single time because the quality is great, amazing design, so beautiful. Tell me in the comments, like, do you have your ears pierced? Do you love Kate Spade? Like, I am all ears. Next up, you guys really, really wanted this, and we are here to deliver. So this is the Mobile White Advanced Teeth Whitening Kit. This kit comes with the mouthpiece, with 3 syringes of the teeth whitening gel, as well as an adapter for your phone. So all you're gonna do is plug this mouthpiece right into your adapter and plug it right in. It lights up, so you know it's definitely working. So for the gel, you wanna use 0.5 milliliters on each side, and this contains 3 full milliliters. So, and then you have 3 of these. Do you guys know what I said? I said it looks good, right? I can't believe you don't speak teeth whitener. It's so weird. And then after you're done whitening your teeth, then you're just gonna disconnect from your phone. You're gonna wash this, rinse out your mouth, use your toothpaste, clean it all up, get the gel off of your teeth, and you're good to go. Last but not least, you guys, this is one of the most loved FabFitFun products of all time. So we are bringing it back, whether you didn't get it before or whether you want another one. I don't blame you either way. It is the UnHide Little Marshmallow. Round of applause. Shit. Maybe we shouldn't sip any more champagne, actually. You know what, on second thought, let's just put that right back there. This season, we are bringing it to you in this beautiful silver color. Oh, you guys, it is so soft, and I know that a lot of you guys know what I'm talking about. It is made of faux chinchilla. Just, you know, curl up with your little stud at home. I'm gonna curl up with both of mine. I want the entire rainbow of UnHide blankets. All right, you guys, that is it for this category. Make sure that if you are not a member, it is not too late. Go to FabFitFun.com, join today. You will not regret it. I'll see you guys next season. Cheers.